Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here, and I am doing a layout for day 6 of 30 days of sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life. And this is the sketch, I'll pop it up on the screen, is by Kathy Price, a fellow Aussie scrapper. I'm changing this a little bit. I won't be having the big circle that she has, but I will still have couple of circles on the layout to represent the big circle that she's got there. And the other big difference is I don't have a large photo in the middle, I have 2 photos, but basically the rest, the structure, I'm pretty well copying. So anyway, I'll show you what I've got and the story of the photos, and then I'll get on with it. So the photos, again, like I said in my last video, scrap the everyday moments, because these are the stories that people are going to remember and want to continue telling, because they're either really funny or they're important in the family, things like that. So anyway, this was my car that we wrapped up like a burrito and put down the side driveway of our house, because my son had just got his new car, his first ever car. It's his dream car, a bit of a special car, and it had to have special insurance, and they would not insure it unless it was in the garage. So we've only got a 2-car garage, a place for my car and hubby's car. Well, I had to sacrifice my car and put it out on the driveway down the side, so that he could put his car in the garage. We had lots of blankets on top of it and wrapped up with a car cover, because they had predicted storms with large hail. This is an example of the storms that rolled through that weekend. So this bit is coming up here. I live up in this area, and these storms were coming up this way, and in the middle there, that black, that is hail. So I now have lots of negotiating power, let's say, with my son. Whenever he wants anything and I don't want to do it, or I don't want to buy it or whatever, I just keep reminding him that I gave up my garage spot and put my car at risk of serious damage because of his car. What I'm doing is, obviously this is about a storm and cars and stuff, so I went looking for embellishments to do with storms and weather and really couldn't find much. So I jumped over to Creative Fabrica and I downloaded some clouds and printed them out, cut them out, and some lightning bolts. And the rest is like chipboard. This is Vicky Bouton that I got out of a chipboard pack. I think this is also Vicky Bouton, rainbow, and or that could be Simple Stories, I don't know. And the little sun here, some more chipboard, love hearts, gonna make it work. Yeah, so I'm now going to get on with it, and I'll come back at the end. Okay, there is my completed layout. And I've just got the title of this because, yeah, this, it says it all. Well, in my mind anyway. I do have to trim this cloud off here, which I will do before I put it in the page protector. And I have a quote down here, just as well, I love you, which, yeah, again, like the title, this says it all. My journaling is going down here. And that is it. That is my completed page. I pretty well kept to the sketch, like I said, except my photos are different. I've got 2 instead of the 1, and I've got just a couple of circles peeking out here as a nod to the big circle that Kathy has on her sketch. If you've liked this layout, please give me the thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell. And I will have listed below the playlist for everyone playing along in the 30 days of sketches. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next one, have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.